Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Paula Brock, Director of Scientific and Regulatory Affairs at 4Life Research. I'm glad to be here with you today. We'll be talking about the safe use of supplements. We all want to improve our bodies and support our health, and supplements can support those efforts. But we need to supplement safely, or we might do more damage than good. As you know, many supplement ingredients, from herbs to botanicals, to vitamins and proteins, can significantly benefit your health. Supplements affect cellular reactions that can support your organs and the structure of your body, from your immune system cells to your bones and joints to your emotional well-being. But because these supplement ingredients produce such a wide range of effects, they can cause negative side effects when used inappropriately. This is especially true when you combine products with medications. When you combine supplements and medications without consulting your doctor, you are at a greater risk for side effects. Let's look at some examples. This customer stopped taking his medications and started taking 4Life Transfer Factor Cardio instead. Shortly after that, he developed symptoms of high blood pressure, including fatigue, dizziness, and chest pain. This man was trying to self-medicate. You should not substitute your medication with supplements without consulting with your primary care doctor. The supplement might not have the effect your body needs. Remember that supplements are intended to support the normal functions of your body, not to treat diseases. This next example is the opposite, but can still be unsafe. This customer started taking 4Life Transfer Factor Glucose in addition to her medications. She experienced symptoms of hypoglycemia, such as sweating, lightheadedness, and fainting. In this case, the product had a greater effect on her blood sugar levels because it was combined with anti-diabetic medications. If a product claims to support your blood glucose levels, and you combine it with medications that affect your blood glucose levels, you might experience hypoglycemia. There is a scientific field called drug-herb interaction that studies these effects. It's part of my expertise, and it simply means that sometimes a drug doesn't go well with a supplement. That's why it's important to consult your doctor before you start combining supplements with medications. Now the last example. A child, 4 years of age, was given 4Life Transfer Factor Plus Trifactor Flora. We all love this product, but this child developed a skin rash and felt itchy. We don't know if the product caused the allergy, but we do know this product is not recommended for children. The one message I hope you all take home is, read our product labels. The product labels contain a lot of good information, including whether the product is recommended for children. A product that's not recommended for children will have this statement, keep out of reach of children. The only products currently recommended for children are Right Start Kids and Teens, Prebiotics, Rio Vida, Life C, ProTF, and our Transfer Factor chewable products. As always, we recommend you consult with the child's primary pediatrician before using any dietary supplements. At 4Life, we evaluate safety in many different ways. The first step is to evaluate safety of our formulation. In other words, we study whether the ingredients in a product are safe to consume at the recommended daily dose. During this process, we find out if there are any groups that should not take the product, such as children or pregnant women. We also find out if the product is for short-term use or if it can be taken for several months in a row. The next step is to evaluate food safety. Here we test the ingredients to search for contaminants. This is a lengthy and ongoing process. We test ingredients before a product is launched, and we test every batch of the product after that. The last step is to monitor post-market adverse events. We investigate every complaint we receive about a product. In this step, we learn how drug-herb interaction and product misuse can lead to negative side effects. We also learn whether we must make any changes to our product's use recommendations, such as dosing or individuals who should avoid taking them. We all want to improve our bodies and support our health. 4Life products can do that when taken in a correct way. We hope you enjoyed this presentation and that you enjoy the rest of your time at 4Life 2021 Convention Shine. Thank you.